Hello everyone, my name is Asma Husna. I am excited to share a fun math lesson called Let's Measure Food, Look, Compare, and Tell. As a teacher, we know that teaching math to young kids works best when we use things they already know. Food is perfect for this. Today, I will show you how we can use everyday items from the kitchen to teach kids how to measure. Over the next few minutes, I will walk you through the lesson plan, the activities, and how these help kids to learn things like little scientists. Our object is compare two objects based on some measurable attribute. Number two, using a ruler to confirm length measurement. Number three is arrange a few objects in sequence based on measurable attribute. Let's look at what the student will learn in this lesson, where we have three main goals. First, we want students to look at everyday objects and tell the difference between height, weight, and length. Instead of just saying something is big or small, we want them to use specific words like tall or heavy. Second, they will compare items and use these new math words to explain what they see. Finally, they will make a guess about a size and then test their guess using a real tools, like a ruler. This helps them move from just looking at things to actually measuring them. To start the lesson, we will do a fun game to get the kids excited. I will show them a colorful fruit and vegetables. We will ask the student to think about food they eat at home. Then I will show them two items together, like a big pineapple and a zucchini. I will ask them to compare the two and guess which one is longer, which one is taller, or which one is shorter. This helps us see what the student already know. We can list to the word they use. Are they just saying bigger, or do they already know the difference between taller and heavier? This quick game gets their brain ready to the next step. Next, it is time for direct teaching. This is where we show the student the real tools we use to measure. We will talk about what length, height, and weight means, and we will show them how to use a standard ruler and all these vegetables and fruits. I will show them exactly how to do it. I will hold up a carrot and a bell pepper. First, we will guess how long they are. Then I will show them how to place it each of the food right at the zero mark on the ruler so they can get the right answer. We will do the step by step, line up the food, read the number and say the unit like inches or centimeter. This is a big step because it teaches kids how to change and what they see into a real number. We also can see on the right hand side what I just said. Now the student gets to try it themselves. They will work in small groups so they can learn by doing it. Each group will get a mix of real food or paper cutouts. The student will measure the exact height and length of items like coconut, peas, pineapples, zucchini, and cherries. They will write down their number on a group worksheet. While they work, they will check if their first guesses were right. For example, a student might think a zucchini is longer than a pineapple just by looking at it. But when they use the ruler, they will find out the real truth. These group works help them talk to each other and explain their answer. The last part of the lesson is a final challenge to see what the student learned. We will give each student a set of cards with pictures of all the food items. Their job is to sort and put them card in a perfect line. They have to line up from smallest to biggest and from shortest to longest. To do this right, they can't just guess. They have to look at the math numbers they wrote down earlier. I will walk around the room to see what they are doing. If a group puts a big pineapple before a tiny cherry in a shortest to longest line, I can see right away where they need help, and I can show them how to fix it. It is a easy, but it is also a powerful lesson. It takes kids from just looking at things to using real math data to solve problems. By making them look, measure, check, and sort, we help them learn step by step. Thank you so much for your time. I would love to hear your thoughts, and please let me know if you have any questions.